Hi friends, this is Miss Paulson again. This video is actually about your math assignments this week. I actually don't really need to make one of those big videos showing you what we're supposed to be doing because guess what? You guys are already on your review pages for this topic. You guys already went through the entire topic for measurement, which is insane, right? It was only 4 lessons long. So if you look in your book though, there was actually a lesson for 12.5. We normally don't do that lesson in our book, so we're just skipping it here too. If you want to do it on your own, go for it. And you can send me pictures of it just to show me that you did it, but it's not required, okay? So for your math assignment for Monday and Tuesday, what you need to do, and this could take you longer than the 15 minutes, which is why it can be both for both Monday and Tuesday, okay? You need to go to your review pages in your math book. So they'll be pages 698 through 700. So there will be 3 pages. And I have my teacher book here, so I can't really show you what these pages look like on, I guess, your books because my pages look different than yours. But on page 698, it's that purple page where you're working on your vocabulary review. So it gives you your word list, and if you cannot remember what those words mean, go back to your vocabulary cards or go back to lesson 12.1 video, and we went over all of the vocabulary words at the beginning of that video too. So you should be able to, I guess, go back to that or find another way to, I guess, figure out the definitions for them if you do not know them already, okay? So I'll just go over the words quickly. Length unit, longer, measure, shorter, and shortest. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, there are 6 questions on this page. You need to fill in the blanks, or it's just using some of those vocabulary words in a sentence where you're supposed to find the answer for it. Okay, so this should be pretty easy for you guys. Like we always, I guess, finish this pretty quickly in class, so these should be pretty straightforward and easy for you to do. All right, if you turn to page 699 and 670, you'll notice there's only 7 questions that you guys have to do for this assignment here too. So what you guys can do is you can separate your vocabulary page and then your other review pages into 2 different days, okay? So I'm going to maybe recommend doing that when I post this, so you can work on your vocabulary for 10 minutes one day and then the rest of these problems for 10 minutes the next day, okay? So it has set A, B, C, and D. It's kind of just having you guys do all of these problems in a couple different ways, like we practiced through these past 4 lessons, which is why it has 4 sets, okay? So it says on set A, you're supposed to circle the longest line in each group and draw a box around the shortest line in each group. Okay, so it gives you 3 lines. Circle like the biggest or the longest one and box around the shortest. You guys have been doing so incredibly good with these measurement lessons that I'm honestly not really worried at all about how you guys are doing. Every single one that I've seen, you guys have been doing awesome with, okay? So the next one, circle the object that is longer. Use the red object to help. So how we were using in those lessons, I think 12.1 and 12.2, they were measuring against this orange string. It's kind of the same exact thing as those, okay? Set C is you need to use cubes to measure. This is the one where you should grab out your ruler that you either made like I did or printed out. I had it attached. I'll maybe attach it here too, so you guys can use it, but just use your ruler or use something that you used before to measure all of your stuff and measure number 5 and 6. And then number 7, you need to choose the tool or tools you can use to measure the object and then measure the length. So it's like a little worm. You're supposed to say, can you use cubes or can you use cubes and a string? Or you can use both of them. So you need to tell me what you can use and then how long it was, okay? And that's pretty much it. Like, this is your probably 5-minute video, a little over 5 minutes, explaining your math for 2 days. This should be pretty easy, and once you finish this, your next assignment will be, I guess, in the next video too, and it'll be Almost as easy as this. Once you're done with these pages, you can take a picture of them and send it to me either on Facebook, through Google Classroom, through email, or I guess you can turn it into the school too if you really want to, but it's been working really well having you guys give me or send me pictures of them. So let's continue doing that. You guys are rocking at it. And I hope I'll see you guys again soon, okay? Bye.